everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In this video, I will show you how to use the Aged Receivables and Aged Payables report inside Odoo 19 accounting module. So these reports help you to track all outstanding customer invoice and pending vendor bills based on how long they have been due. For example, 30 days, 60 days or 90 days. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's take a look inside that. Okay. For that, let's head over to the accounting module. And there you can find the reporting session. Under the reporting, there you can find the partners report. Under there, you can find aged receivables and aged payables. So let's start with aged receivables. So there you can find the aged receivables, which means this report does show all unpaid customer invoice grouped by aging period. So there you can find the aging period as 1 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, 91 to 120. So here is the aged period, okay. And there you can find the aged receivables customer's name. Okay, there you can find Abigail Peterson has your interiors and all the customer name who is actually in the aged receivables list. Okay. So here you can see which customer have an overdue payment and how long they have been outstanding. So let's say Abigail Peterson, there you can find the overdue payment is basically $8.40 within 1 to 30 days. Okay. And there you can find the total amount as well. And there you can find as your interiors at the date, which is this date. And there you can find it is deducted as well here. And there we have the total amount. So there you can find all such details from here itself. Okay. By default, the report is divided into 30 days interval, which is 30, 60, 19, and 120, and so on. So you can also change that as of the date generated report for a specific period time as well. And on the top of the session, there you can find the customized date. You can simply set the date and you can see all the follow-up details about the aged receivables once you customize this one. And there you can find the account receivables, and there we have an option to non-trade receivable as well. So as per your concern, you can simply provide what you need. And there we have the partners. If you are going to put any partners and tax, that particular report will be shown here. And there we have the based on due date and the invoice date. If you want to see the due date, here it is already due. And there we have the invoice date. If you want to see the invoice date report, you can simply provide the invoice date as well. Okay. So once we are setting up, it's loaded and it's we will get the invoice date as well. And there we have the 30 days. And if you want to change this particular interval, you can simply provide that. And there we have the posture entries. If you want to draft any entries, you can simply see that and unfold all of these entries and show currencies and show account. You can simply provide as per your concern. Okay. And you can export this particular thing into an XLSS and a PDF format. So that's all about this aged receivables. Before winding this aged receivables, I want to say you one more thing, which means you can simply analyze the customer invoice through here. Okay, like you can simply click on a particular customer name to see the detailed information about that. There you can find a drop down arrow. And you can simply see the invoice and everything from here itself. There you can find the due date and remaining balance as well. Okay, so this report will help you to easily identify which customer need a payment reminder or a follow-up. So let me give you an optional tip, which is you can also export this into the PDF or an XLSS format if you want. Okay. Once you're done with that, let's directly move to the aged payable report. For that, let's head over to the reporting, and there you can find aged payables. Just click on there and you will get the aged payables report. So here it is, the dashboard. As similar to the aged payables, you can find the similar thing, similar dashboard inside the aged payables. Instead of the customer, there you can find the vendors. Okay. So here you can find the vendors. And let's see, here in the aged payables report, you can track what your company owes to the suppliers, which means the vendors or suppliers. So this report works the same way as the aged payables, but it focused on the vendor bills. There we can find the invoice of customers. Okay. So you will see all the vendors listed along with the amounts due to how long they have been pending their vendor bills, and this help you to plan upcoming payments and manage your cash flow effectively. So just like before, you can click on the vendor's name to see the detailed view of all those things and pending bills. So you can group by the vendors and journals and company if you're managing the multiple record as well from this dashboard. And you can also use the print button, and you can export this into the PDF and XLSS format, as you can find inside the aged receivables. Okay, so that's all about the aged receivables and payables report in Odoo 19. This report will help you to stay on top of the customer collection and vendor payments, so improving both cash flow and financial control. You can similarly use these two options, which is aged receivables and aged payables. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Odoo 19 functional tutorial. I'll be back with another one. Till that, bye-bye.